Welcome, today in front of me Google Pixel 6a, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's first open the box, and here in this box we have the USB Type-C cable. Also we have here the USB-C adapter, the Type-C to USB. And inside of this paper box we have the SIM eject tool and some paperwork, the warranty card display, and the quick start guide on the safety guide, I think. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.